Liza Soberano, balik Pilipinas na para sa isang endorsement. Ngunit, may iilang netizens na tila bang nagpahayag ng negatibong komento patungkol sa kanyang pagbabalik sa Pilipinas. Narito ang buong detalye. Sa naging latest post ng pep.ph, ay ibinahagi nga nila ang pagbabalik ni Liza Soberano sa Pilipinas para sa isang endorsement. Ayon nga sa kanilang post na, after making her Hollywood movie debut with Lisa Frankenstein, Liza Soberano has returned to the country. She graced the Deo Pros Philippines Go Beyond event and shopping party in Taguig City earlier this evening.
I hope everyone's having fun. Thank you so much for the wonderful compliment. I drink a lot of water. I think it's important to take care of yourself from the inside out. And since our skin is like a reflection of our overall health, it's important to hydrate. Yeah, I try to drink like 2 liters to 4 liters a day, depending on how.
You guys do that? Yes? Are we all drinking water here? Okay, so much. And with that being said, we would like to call on stage very important people for a photo opportunity with Liza, the Deo Pros team, starting things off with Ms. Angie Oyena, President of Z-Face Incorporated. Alright, thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen.
At dahil nga dito ay may iilang netizens na nagpahayag ng kanilang saloobin patungkol sa kanyang pagbabalik sa Pilipinas. Oh, she's back. She's complaining about the utang na loob and people pleasers. Die. Hanggang sa kaapo-apuhan niya, it will never die. She's right with the utang na loob. But people pleasers. Pinatamaan nga si OG Diaz na tinuturuan siya na maging magalang sa mga seniors sa showbiz industry kasi may mga attitude din ang mga oldies. Kayo, anong masasabi nyo tungkol dito? Isa ba kayo sa mga solid fans at supporters ni Liza Soberano na nasiyahan sa kanyang pagbabalik sa Pilipinas? At kung ano ang inyong komento at saloobin, just comment down below at babasahin natin yan at pag-uusapan natin para sa ating susunod na video. Thank you for watching and see you on my next one.